How dumb do I look?
Not. Alright, here we go, buddy.
Look at those freckles.
Take a seat.
I am on train. We are on train. We're about to go through. You see that right there?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
One.
Oh yeah, they can see it. That's awesome.
I don't think you need your
Please
headphones
stand
out.
clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now
Put the
closing.
headphones in here.
Okay, hold on to handle.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The doors are now closing.
Okay, so
The APM is now departing. Please hold onto the handrails. The next stop is terminals A and B.
Oh, we're moving.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of Central Florida, I want to welcome you home. If you're one of our 75 million visitors, welcome to the City Beautiful. You probably know Orlando for its world-class theme parks and attractions, but you may not know the other half of it. From our professional sports, high-tech and emerging medical industries, to our vibrant arts community, there is something for everyone. Enjoy your visit.
excuse me. We're getting a shuttle to the Disney Resort. Do you know where we would get off?
You're gonna get off here, and regardless if you go to A or B, you should be able to get on a Disney shuttle.
Okay.
And it will say, it should, you know, like the signs.
We'll point you to
Correct.
So A or B terminal, just
Yeah.
get off.
Well,
Please
yeah,
stand clear of
because
doors
what
and hold
happens
onto
is this is right in the
handrails.
middle.
When the
And when you go
APM stops,
through,
please exit and follow
To
the signs
exit
to
the
baggage
TSA
claim
area,
B.
you know, you have to go past
Resort
TSA.
and other
You'll be
ground
right in the middle. You go
transportation
this way to A or
options are
this way to B.
located on level
So,
1.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really easy.
Okay, perfect. Alright, so I think this is our stop. Okay.
The doors are now opening.
Alright. We are going. Oh, whoa, we're going on Mouse Express. Whoa, cool. Oh, shoot, we're going to a Magical Express, also known as Mouse Train. Oh, should I switch the camera to this? Or can you not see well with this? I don't know. I've checked out some of my videos and that's just how it goes. I'm gonna do this for now though.
Probably any of us in here, so.
It's elevator time. Bro, this place literally feels like it's about to fall in on me. Floor, ceiling, floor, ceiling. It's so small. I love it though. We're about to go on the Mouse Train. Can you see the monkey? Mouse Express time. Is it time for Mouse Express?
So let's do, that's not it.
Does it be time for Mouse Express?
And the orange one.
It's where you find the latest official information.
Mouse Train. Mouse Train. Mouse. Scan hand.
What's this?
You must
I
scan.
got 2 to the Riverside.
Yes.
47.
Yes, Quinn. Yes, Quinn. We go on to Mouse Train. Is it actually the Mouse Train? It is actually Mouse Train. 47? Mouse Train. Mouse Bus. So is this like our third transportation?
I'm gonna ask people what they want us to do ahead of time.
We on the Mouse Train. There is Goofy up there. Oh yeah, you can watch on TV. That's actually pretty cool. How is it on this Mouse Train? Ow, my ears.
Express. My name is Zethro. You're on your way to the most magical place on earth. Or traveling time approximately 40 minutes. There's anything I
More
can do to
magical
make the
than
ride more
what's it called? That
comfortable,
really
including
haunted house?
adjusting the temperature
No,
on the inside
like
of the
the
mall
actual
coach. Adjusting the
haunted place,
volume
like
of
an
the
actual haunted
entertainment
place.
system.
What's that one
Please
called?
let me know.
Do I
We'll be
know?
stopping at
Yeah,
Old Key
you were
West,
talking about it. It's like
Saratoga
really
Springs,
hot
French
there. A lot of
Quarter,
tourists go
Riverside.
there.
This motor coach is equipped
Like
with
there's
seat belts.
something about the basement.
Therefore, your safety, please use them.
Oh,
Sit
well,
back,
you know what it
relax,
is.
Enjoy the ride, and thanks
It's
for
a haunted
riding
house.
Disney's Magical Express.
And it's actually haunted. I don't know.
Indiana?
I'm pretty sure.
How do I know about it?
You were talking about it at Cabos.
She already had
Mouse train. It's a beautiful day outside. You expected me to say sins, didn't you? Yeah, you're an idiot. Don't mind. Don't mind anything there. Just asking again, does this look good?
in the locker.
Does this look good? Just asking again.
But I'll probably have you change it to some shorts.
I hope I look hot. Skin. Whoa. I am skin. Mouse. Skin. By the way, if you guys didn't know, I'm going to Disney World with my mom. And only my mom for some reason, because my dad was like, I have to work. I don't like having a good time. Isn't that what he said?
What?
Isn't that what Dad said?
That he doesn't like Disney. Because I don't remember what I packed.
More like, I don't like having a good time. Jeez, it's like a chatterbus. It's a chatterbus right now.
Are you filming?
Yes. They saw your big head.
That polar
Giant forehead. Hey, maybe that plane that we landed was on your forehead.
Maybe.
Because it could definitely fit.
That's how I felt this morning. I only woke up and needed to eat and I wanted to, but then you showed up like 10
Okay,
minutes
this.
earlier.
I am bored, so I'm being dumb on Mouse Express. Mouse Express, mouse train, mouse car thing, whatever you want to call it.